Offering premium programs with flexible payment plans sounds smart until your manual splits start confusing clients or trigger processor reviews. Here's a simple way to manage large program payments. Tracking each client's total, installment schedule, and payment status keeps everything transparent and organized. But when you process those splits manually, processors might still see them as multiple risky transactions, especially if they happen close together. That's where EasyPay Direct comes in. The recurring billing feature automates each installment safely through verified pages, so clients are charged on schedule without triggering fraud reviews or account holds. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out. Their automated billing tools make it easy to handle large enrollments securely and professionally. Stop worrying about manual payment splits. With EasyPay Direct's recurring billing, you can offer flexible plans for premium programs while keeping every transaction safe and compliant. Click the link in the description to get started today.